Hey guys, so today I will be showing you a tasty DIY tasty vitamin C drink that you can consume every day. So let's get started. So the first ingredient is calamansi fruit. Now calamansi is rich in citric acid and vitamin C, and we all know that vitamin C is a crucial element in collagen production, which is the compound needed to create every tissue, muscle fiber, and cell in the body. And the vitamin C in calamansi helps provide immunity against viral and bacterial infections. Drinking this juice on a regular basis helps you build immunity against common cold, flu, and fever, and it is also used locally for hair care as it confers a silky and shiny appearance to the hair and acts as an anti-itching agent, and it promotes hair growth as well. And the extracts from the calamansi fruit are shown to regulate skin oil production, which can help with acne-prone skin. Now the next one that I'm using is lemon. Now lemon is very high in vitamin C as well and are full of vitamins, folate, minerals, phytonutrients, and antioxidants that are great for boosting your immune system, growing your hair long, and keeping your skin clear. And then the last ingredient that I'm using is malunggay. Now malunggay is said to have 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, and as I've said, vitamin C is important for healthy skin, nails, anti-aging, and absorbing important nutrients such as iron. Malunggay also contains 92 nutrients, 46 antioxidants, 36 anti-inflammatories, 18 amino acid, 10 vitamins such as B1, B2, B3, B6, B7, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E, and vitamin D, and 9 essential amino acids, and also it contains protein, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, copper, iron, and sulfur that are all great for hair growth and boosting your immune system as well. So if you don't have this plant, you can also buy the powdered one. I'll leave a link in the description box where you can find it or buy it online. So in here, of course, I wash the fresh malunggay leaves just to make sure it's clean. And then I decided to blanch it so that it'll be easier for me to blend it later and also to purge out the juice from it. Okay, so the proportion is totally up to you, but for me, I just use 1 whole lemon, and then I use about 10 calamansi. And this is quite a lot because I'm not only making this for me, but also for my mom and my dad as well. So in there, I added all of the mixed juice inside the blender, and I also decided to dilute it with water, and then I added in the malunggay leaves, and as a sweetener, I actually used honey for this, but you can use any sweeteners of your choice. And of course, just blended everything. Now this drink is amazing to take in because of its hair, skin, and health benefits. Plus, if you are running out of vitamin C supplements, you can surely take this in instead. At least you are getting it from its natural source. And the goal here during this quarantine is to not get sick and build our immune system. So drinks like these will definitely benefit your health. So I really hope that you guys try this out. Now this juice is perfect to replace your fizzy drinks because this is way healthier for you to consume. And if you want to get the natural source of vitamin C, not from a supplement, especially if, to some of you who are not the supplement people, you can get it from this drink. So I hope you guys try this out. And also, if you guys can't find the malunggay plant in your country, I will link a malunggay powder in the description box down below. And also, if you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and share it to a friend if you found this content valuable, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!